Are you looking for easy ways to make money online? Welcome to the digital age where opportunities to generate income are just a few clicks away. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover 10 of the simplest methods to earn money in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world, for that matter. Whether you're seeking a way to supplement your income or considering a full-time shift to remote work, the internet offers a plethora of avenues to explore. From taking online surveys to selling handmade goods, we're going to delve into each method, providing you with the most up-to-date information and resources to get started. So, if you're ready to dive into these 10 easy ways to earn money online, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future content. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. First on our list is participating in online surveys. Now, you might be wondering, what are online surveys? Well, they're just that, surveys that you can take online. Companies, researchers, and organizations are often looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. That's where you come in. By taking these surveys, you're providing valuable information that these entities use to improve their products or services. But how do you find these surveys? There are numerous legitimate survey sites out there like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Just sign up, start taking surveys, and you'll earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. And how much can you expect to earn? While it won't make you a millionaire, you can expect to earn a few dollars for each survey, depending on its length and complexity. Online surveys are a great way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Number 2 on our list is freelance work. Now you might be wondering, what is freelance work? Simply put, freelance work is when you're self-employed and hired to work on specific projects for a variety of clients. This allows you to have the freedom to choose the type of work you want to do, who you want to work with, and how much you charge. There's a multitude of freelance work available out there. You might be a wordsmith, crafting compelling articles, blog posts, or even ghostwriting books. Or perhaps your talent lies in graphic design, producing eye-catching logos and visually engaging content. And let's not forget about programming. With the digital world constantly evolving, skilled coders are in high demand. So where do you find this freelance work? There are several platforms designed specifically to connect freelancers with clients who need their skills. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. These platforms allow you to create a profile showcasing your skills and past work, bid on projects that interest you, and build relationships with clients. They also provide a secure way to receive payment for your work. Now, freelancing does require a little more self-discipline and initiative than a traditional job. You'll need to market yourself, manage your own schedule, and continuously seek out new projects. But don't let that deter you. The benefits of freelancing are many. Not only does it offer the flexibility to work when and where you want, but it also allows you to turn your passions into profit. And the income potential? Well, that's largely in your hands. The more you work, and the higher the quality of your work, the more you can earn. Some freelancers even make a full-time income from their freelance work. So if you have a skill, a passion, or a talent that can be shared with the world, consider freelancing. It's a great way to make money online, offering both freedom and the opportunity to do what you love. Freelancing offers a great deal of flexibility and the potential for a substantial income. The third method we're discussing is affiliate marketing. Now, you might ask yourself, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, are rewarded for driving traffic or sales to a business through your marketing efforts. Think of it as being a middleman. You find a product or service you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. And the best part? You don't have to create your own product or service. You're promoting someone else's, which saves you a lot of time and resources. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? First, decide on a niche that interests you. This could be anything from fashion and beauty to tech and gaming. It's important to choose a niche you're passionate about, as this will make your marketing efforts more genuine and effective. Next, find affiliate programs within your chosen niche. These programs are run by companies looking for individuals to promote their products or services. You can find these programs on affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. This link is what you'll use to promote the products or services. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The commission rates can vary greatly, from as low as 2% to as high as 75%. To effectively promote your affiliate link, you can create content around the products or services. This could be in the form of blog posts, social media posts, emails, or even YouTube videos. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is providing value to your audience. This means creating content that is informative, useful, and engaging. Finally, let's talk potential earnings. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative online income stream. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. Some affiliates earn a few $100s a month, while others earn several thousands. It all depends on your marketing skills and the commission rates. Affiliate marketing can generate a steady stream of income if done correctly. It's a flexible and scalable method to make money online, and it's certainly worth considering. Another great option is selling online courses. Now, an online course is a digital learning experience where you can share your expertise on a particular subject. You might be thinking, well, how do I create one? It's simpler than you might imagine. First, identify a topic you're passionate and knowledgeable about. Next, outline your course, breaking it down into manageable, digestible lessons. Then, record your content. This could be video, audio, or written materials. But remember, quality is key. Now, on to the selling part. Marketing your course is crucial. Utilize social media, email newsletters, or even your own blog to reach your potential students. Consider offering a free introductory lesson to entice learners. Pricing is another important factor. Make sure it's affordable, yet reflects the value of the knowledge you're imparting. So, why not start sharing your expertise with the world? Selling online courses is an excellent way to share your knowledge and earn money. Next up is blogging. Now, what exactly is blogging? It's an online journal where you share your thoughts, experiences, or expertise. But it's not just a digital diary, it's a potential gold mine. Your blog can generate income in a variety of ways. You could monetize it with ads, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products or services. But remember, the key to a successful blog is choosing a profitable niche and creating quality content. So you might be wondering, what's a profitable niche? It's a specific area or topic that has a high demand and low competition. It could be anything from vegan cooking to digital photography. Creating quality content, on the other hand, involves writing posts that are engaging, informative, and valuable to your readers. It's about building an audience who trusts what you say and looks forward to your posts. Blogging can be a fun and profitable online venture. Number 7 on our list is selling stock photography. This is an avenue that lets photographers, both professional and amateur, earn money by selling high-quality, rights-managed, or royalty-free images. Stock photos are used widely across industries for websites, blogs, marketing materials, and more, creating a high demand for diverse and unique images. To start selling, you simply upload your photos to stock photography websites. These platforms handle the marketing, licensing, and sales logistics, leaving you free to focus on creating. They pay you a commission for each download of your image. The exact amount varies, but it can add up quickly if you have a large number of images available. The beauty of this method is that once a photo is uploaded, it becomes a source of passive income, potentially earning you money for years to come. If you have a knack for photography, selling stock photos can be a great source of income. Another excellent way to make money online is through online tutoring. Picture this. You're sitting in your favorite armchair, sipping your morning coffee, and sharing your wealth of knowledge with eager learners from all over the world. That's the beauty of online tutoring. It's an opportunity to earn money while helping others. And the best part is, you can do it from the comfort of your own home. So what exactly is online tutoring? Well, it's essentially teaching or tutoring over the internet. You can tutor students of all ages in a variety of subjects. Maybe you're a whiz at math or a history buff. Perhaps you're fluent in a second language. Whatever your expertise, there's likely a student out there looking for guidance in that subject. Getting started with online tutoring is relatively straightforward. First, identify your area of expertise. Next, choose a platform. There are numerous online tutoring platforms out there, such as tutor.com or Chegg Tutors, that connect tutors with students. Alternatively, you can go solo and set up your own website or use social media platforms to find students. Once you've set up a profile and chosen a platform, it's time to decide your rates. Keep in mind that rates can vary widely depending on your subject, level of expertise, and the platform you're using. On average, online tutors can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour. But remember, successful online tutoring is about more than just making money. It's about building relationships with your students, being patient, and making learning enjoyable. In other words, it's about providing value. And the rewards of online tutoring go beyond the financial aspect. It's a chance to improve your communication and interpersonal skills, gain a sense of accomplishment, and make a real difference in someone's life. So, if you're passionate about a particular subject and love helping others, why not give online tutoring a shot? You never know, it might just be the perfect online money-making opportunity for you. Online tutoring is a rewarding way to share your knowledge and earn money. Next, we have selling handmade goods. Dive into the world of crafting and create something unique with your own two hands. The beauty of selling handmade goods is that it allows you to transform your hobby into a lucrative business. It's a wonderful way to express your creativity while making money at the same time. Let's talk about platforms to sell your handmade goods. The first that comes to mind is Etsy, a global marketplace for unique and creative goods. Etsy allows you to set up your own online shop to sell your handmade products. It's user-friendly and has a vast customer base, making it an excellent place for beginners to start. To begin, you need to create your products. This could be anything from hand-knitted scarves, homemade candles. The key is to create something that not only you love to make, but also something that others would love to buy. Selling handmade goods is not just about making money. It's about sharing something you've created with the world. And there's a certain satisfaction that comes from knowing someone else appreciates your work. Selling handmade goods can be a creative and profitable venture. Last but not least, we have publishing eBooks. An ebook, short for electronic book, is a book in digital format that you can read on devices like a computer, smartphone, or an e-reader. Now, you might be wondering how to write and publish one. Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, choose a topic you're passionate about. This could be anything from cooking to finance. Write your ebook, then format it for ebook platforms. There are plenty of free and paid tools available to help with this. Next comes publishing. You can self-publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Smashwords. These platforms let you retain most of the profits from your ebook sales. Now, the potential income from selling ebooks can vary widely. But remember, once your ebook is out there, it can generate income for years to come. Publishing ebooks is a fantastic way to share your writing and make money. There you have it, 10 ways to make money online. Remember, the key to making money online is patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Good luck on your online money-making journey.